Is it recording? Yeah. Hey everyone, this is the March 11 and welcome to Will You, I get it, press the button. There's everything with the twist, blah blah blah, you get it. You can get a PS4 and an Xbox One for free. But you can play 30 minutes on one console. Nope. I'm not playing that for 30 minutes. I take hours of pun. Hours! So I'm not pressing that dang button. Bad dilemma. Bad dilemma. Bad! Okay. No. Not happening. Okay. That's right. Okay. Why? Very good, Donna. Pretty good. Who is that? Who is Rob Stark? No. Not happening. Who the flip? Good dilemma. No. So who is that? Okay. You can play. I press that button. I don't care if I hear. Nope. Don't look at that comment. Nee. Wait a minute. Oh, fuck you. You can eat. Smoke. Press it. I want the eat thing and drink. Eat and drink whatever I want. Bullshit. Huh? You gonna give me... You die at 40. But your addictions don't kill you. I don't get it. Oh well. You could change into a postal dude and have full list of weapons. Ooh. No, I couldn't survive a freaking Holocaust. You'll be postable so I can kill Osama. He's dead already, guy. Sorry, you can choose to travel to any other period in history. You can't travel back, you'll forget everything, and you'll be part of the most depressed race of people from that era. No! I will not press the dang button! No! No! Every game is free? I don't give a shit. Every game is free. Every game is free. Free! 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 Free games. You get a brand new car of your choosing. You lose your job. I'm not losing YouTube as a job. It's my favorite job ever. Okay. Get out of here. Bad dilemma. Very bad dilemma. You're a wizard. You have no... Fuck you. Forget I don't have a webcam, so I can't show you what I'm doing. No one believes you. I don't even know if I know what the cool trail is. I'm definitely not one to find it though. Bad dilemma. Bad dilemma. My eye! No! No! Wait. Oh well. Oh well. Okay, that's a good one. Okay. You become a mathematical genius. You can only speak in a dead language. How long do I have? 5 minutes. Okay, good dilemma. Good dilemma. I hate math anyway. You could drink. You're already over. I'm already over late. I don't lose any damn thing. Press the damn button. What's the settings? I've actually never pressed the settings button. What's it? Good dilemma. Good dilemma. That's the sound of me flipping off my damn computer, because that's bullshit. You get to fuck Emma Watson, she becomes a overly attached girlfriend. Who the hell is Emma Watson? Who is that? 1 second. Oh. I will not. It's gonna make Harry Potter fans so mad. So mad. Let's see this. Oh, 6 minutes. That makes people so mad. Oh well. You'll become immortal. That's millions of billions of years later, so. Fuck you. I hate that bull. There's no way. Well, I'll put half my money into the bank for the second year. I didn't press the button because you'll become part of a PC master race. I'll press the dang thing. I'm better at PC gaming anyway. Oh. The console gamers are gonna be so mad. Who was so mad? J.K. Rowling. There won't be a movie. I don't care about that anyway. No, Harry Potter fans, loco. Oh well. Fine tuning them on. Nope. You will be the most physically attractive person. You will become the opposite. I'm pretty sure I'm a guy, so okay. I don't care. Good. You could get unlimited wishes. But you can't wish for anyone to fall in love with you. No! Well, I'll wish for anything. I'll wish for a million. Okay, I'm not gonna say anything about subscribers. Oh, I do actually wish I had a lot of subscribers. I want to entertain a million people. You can have a million more. No more internet. No! I go crazy without the internet. I go crazy without the internet. You cruel, heartless monster. Good dilemma. No, wait, bad dilemma. No, that's a bad dilemma. You can skip through time limits. You can now. Why would you ever do that? You can control every living creature. You lose your arms. Then how would I ever record? How would I do any of that? How would I play my games? Oh, give you bad dilemma. Alright. You gain the ability to pull money out of your pockets whenever you want. Okay, I give up my legs and my left. No wait. Yeah, get a robot arm. Give it the left arm, make a wooden arm.